Hi everyone, I know it's been a while and I'm back. I would try to be much more consistent in posting. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you my experiences, the things that I like and the things that I don't like, and where do I use this digital bank. So before I start this video, I would just love to share with you what I'm wearing right now. So this is, as you can see, this shirt is from Moon Edit. You can actually follow them on Instagram, check out their design, and order yours now. So, let's start. First, with the things that I like about this digital banks. So, I would be mentioning few that you might know and some that you might not heard of or narinig mo na pero you're not a user. So, this would be really helpful para alam mo din kung para saan ba siya, better ba siyang gamitin kaysa dun sa ginagamit mo right now. And, of course, this is to give you my experience dun sa service nila. So if you're new in my channel, I just want to say na all of the things that I share here are based from my experience, and if it's based from research or me doing a bit of background, I would also tell it. Pero this time, everything would be based on my experience, okay? So, first is with CIMB. So, the thing that I like about CIMB is they have this 3 savings account. So, isa doon is GSave. So, just a quick heads up, tie up sila with GCash. And then aside from that, they also have credit card and loan offering. So, very helpful siya, especially if you really need money for emergency funds, or let's say, kailangan mo ng pera, pero you can't go to banks kasi banks take a while before they actually approve your loan. So this would be helpful for you. And also, the thing that I like about them is their customer support. So their customer support is really, really helpful kasi very accommodating sila at the same time. If you have questions, they would answer it immediately. Kung kailangan mo ng tanong bakit nagkaganon ba yung account mo, they would help you sa abot na makakaya nila. Next is with GCash. The thing that I like about GCash is very versatile siya. Ang dami mo nang pwedeng gawin with GCash. And bukod doon, if you want to start investing pero hindi ka risk taker, they have options for that. And then the same with CIMB, if you're in need of immediate money, emergency funds and such, they also have loans, credits, and also G-gifts, which would be very helpful if kailangan nyo. For me, ginagamit ko yung G-credit for my Apple Music as well as my iCloud para automatic na siyang nagde-deduct doon. For my Netflix, hindi siya pwede kasi hindi nai-connect yung G-credit, so it would automatically deduct on my GCash account talaga. Also, if you actually want to have a physical card, GCash has that available. You can avail that through their app. I think it's just a week or two, and then you would receive the card na. And yung kinaganda ng card ngayon is mayroon na kasing pangalan mo. Hindi tulad nung sa akin, yung card ko, say, it doesn't have your name, pero it does everything na merong credit card number, merong expiry date, meron din siyang CVV or CCV, whatever. And now, let's go with PayPal. So, the thing that I like about PayPal is super convenient siya kasi alternative siya when you're paying online transactions. Kasi if you don't have any credit card or debit card, pwede mong gamitin si PayPal. And may times kasi na na-encounter ko, nag-accept sila ng credit card pero hindi pa rin sila nag-accept ng debit card. So, dun ko madalas nagagamit yung PayPal. So, the thing that I like about Payoneer is super bilis niyang gawin yung account. At the same time, super bilis niyang magamay. Even if you're not techie, magagamay mo siya kasi super daming instructions. And also, mabilis sumagot yung CS nila. I remember, I'm having a hard time, like, contemplating, pumasok na ba yung pera ko? Ano nang nangyari? Because it's still not reflecting on my account. So, alam mo yun, at the top of my head, parang, shit, did I lose my money? Where did it go? Mali ba yung naibigay kong account dun sa nagpadala and such? So, very responsive yung CS nila, even though yung CS nila is only through email. Now, let's go with Wise. The thing that I like about Wise is if freelancer ka or VA ka or alam mo yun, nagre-receive ka ng money abroad, it's very useful kasi yung conversion rate nila mas mataas kesa sa market dito. So, let's say kailangan mo mag-receive ng USD and then, let's say it's 1,000 USD. So, parang mas mataas yata sila ng, if I'm not mistaken, 1 peso. So, 1 peso or 50 cents. So, that would be an additional, 1,000 peso or 500 peso sa ipapapalit mo. Which is not bad na din, di ba? So, super bilis gumawa ng account. You just have to connect your Google or your email and then account created already. Now, let's go with the things that I don't like about this digital banks. So, first with CIMB. The thing that I don't like about CIMB is the fact that they only have limited banks to choose from kung saan manggagaling yung pera mo. So, I always encounter with them na I want to transfer money from my bank, pero wala siya dun sa list of banks na pwedeng panggalingan. So, I have to ask my mom, can I borrow your account? I would transfer the money to you and then you transfer it to my CIMB account. Or, yung isang alternative is, I would transfer it to my GCash and then from GCash, I would transfer it to GSave and then once na nasa GSave na siya, magre-reflect na siya sa CIMB app. Once na nag-reflect na siya doon, saka ko pa lang siya may transfer dun sa account ko talaga sa CIMB. So, yun lang naman yung main concern ko with CIMB. Kasi medyo hassle siya if you don't have that patience or paano kung wala kang kilala. And then let's say, paano kung down din that time yung app ni GCash. So, paano ka makakapag-transfer, diba? Now, with GCash, so, ang pinakaayaw ko is mataas yung interest rate. Because the interest rate that you would get would depend sa G-score mo. And sa G-score, para mapataas mo siya, kailangan gamitin mo siya ng gamitin. Whether you're paying your bills through GCash, you're paying your utilities, nagpapaload ka doon, ginagamit mo siya, or you're sending money and receiving money, and dun siya tumataas. Pero my G-score got stocked up. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I'm using it from time to time naman for loads, for the credit, and then I also send and receive money from there. So, yeah, yun lang naman yung pinakaayaw ko with GCash. And then, with Maya, so I know you might be wondering a while ago, bakit hindi ko binanggit si PayMaya sa things that I like. So, I don't have an experience now with them. I have a first-hand experience nung nagsistart pa lang sila when GCash was not booming, which was way back, 2017, 2018, something like that. The thing is, na-close yung account ko without me knowing. Just because it doesn't have enough money in it. So, yun yung naging reason why I had to let go PayMaya. Kasi, until now, it's not resolved. I can't recover my account. So, hindi ako makapag-open ng bagong account. Kasi, yung number ko na ginagamit until now is the same number na inaccessible na dun sa app nila. And now, let's go with PayPal. So, with PayPal, the thing that I don't like about them is the service fee. Kasi, if you want to transfer it from PayPal to your bank, medyo hassle. And then, yun nga, merong service fee, or kaya, if you received USD to your PayPal, So, minsan, nagkakaroon siya ng service fee pag kinonvert na. Thing that I don't like about Payoneer is, yun nga, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, it takes a while before mag-reflect sa account ko yung pinadala, or kung dun man sa makaka-receive, dun sa makaka-receive, it will take a while before siya mag-reflect. Now with Wise, the fact that I have to deposit, I think it's at least $20 for me to be able to open a foreign account. Kasi with Wise and Payoneer, kailangan mo mag-open ng foreign account. Depende kung anong money yung ma-receive mo. Let's say it's USD or kaya pound. So, those are the things na kailangan mong i-open para dun mo mismo ma-receive, and then dun magre-reflect yung conversion and such. Now, let's go with where do I actually use them, or where you can use them as well. So, for online transactions, you could actually use GCash, PayMaya, and PayPal. Aside from that, si GCash and si CIMB, pwede mo siyang gamitin for in-store purchases. What do I mean by that? Hindi siya dahil sa may QR or something. It's because meron silang physical card. Pero for CIMB kasi, you have to hit certain amount of transaction or money na nandun na sa CIMB account mo para maging eligible ka to avail their card. And then, for international transactions, let's say receiving or sending money abroad or from abroad, it would be better to use Wise and Payoneer. So, if ayaw mo naman mag-open ng Wise and Payoneer, you could also use PayPal. It would be very much less hassle for you. So, now, would I recommend this digital banks to be your savings account? No. Why? The reason is madaming issues right now with these digital banks. So, one for example is GCash. Madaming nawawala ng pera, madaming nagkakaroon ng scams and such. We don't want that to happen to you. And at the same time, hindi mo din naman kasi alam kung kailan magiging down yung servers. Let's keep that in mind na these digital banks are reliant sa mga servers nila. Once naging down yung server, you don't know kailan siya babalik. Especially if hindi naman siya maintenance ng server. And at the same time, wala kang masyadong habol. Yeah, they do have these contracts, these terms and conditions. Pero unlike the traditional banks, mas malakas yung habol mo doon kasi you have the physical contract. Meron ka talagang pinirmahan. And aside from that, paano kung naging down yung server? Tapos kailangan mo na siya. Let's say you're not using the physical card of CIMB or GCash, edi hindi mo na siya makukuha agad kung kailan mo kailangan. And also, I remember CIMB was transitioning from their old app to the new app. And everyone was panicking kasi yung iba may malaking pera na nandun sa old app. Tapos hindi nila alam makukuha ba nila yan, malilipat ba siya sa new app, ano yung mangyayari, paano yung magiging transitioning and such. So, those are the things that we have to keep in mind. So, I would suggest na let's just use it for the expenses, for, alam mo yan, very minimal amount lang. Like, pambayad ng utilities mo, kuryente, Meralco, bills sa tubig and such, or sa internet. Pero, let's not use it for your savings account. There are a lot of banks na that's offering yung mag-apply ka online, and then they would review it. Tapos, just like with Union Bank, once na approved, you would get your card delivered to you. So, yeah. That would be all for my vlog today. And like what I said a while ago, I would try my best to actually be very consistent in posting, and I won't just be posting vlogs like this. I would be posting some of my travel vlogs, and if you have any questions, if you have anything that you want to ask, just let me know. See you on my next vlog. Bye!